Welcome everyone. Thanks for tuning in today. In this short video, I will show you how to log out of all devices from the Facebook Lite app on your phone so you can secure your account and make sure no one else is signed in without your knowledge. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. After that, click on Accounts Center to manage your profiles. Next, select Password and Security. Next, tap on where you're logged in to view all devices that are currently signed in. Then tap on your profile name to select that account. Next, choose Select Devices to log out. Then you can tap Select All to mark all devices at once. Finally, tap on Log Out and confirm by tapping Log Out again. Then, Facebook will send to your email code verification copy this code and enter here. Then click on Continue. Following these steps ensures you are signed out everywhere and your account is protected. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.